What's up guys, it's me Geek. So I bought a cap with the one eye. Yes, one eye cap. Jump to the unboxing
So
table.
here it is, yes, here it is, the cap. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. I'm really very much excited. So if you wanna buy this cap, the link is in the description box below. So now let me open it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, this is a beautiful cap. This is a absolutely beautiful cap. There is no doubt. So here it is, the one eyes. Okay, yeah, this look cool. This look like a little bit Illuminati or something like Freeman's Mason or some kind of, some kind of like conspiracy, conspiracy theory society out there. Yeah. Okay. Illuminati. Okay, this is a very beautiful cap. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful as you can see. So now let me put on my head and then jump back to me.
So the cap is here. Let me put on my head and then show you how good I'm looking. You need to be the judge how good I'm looking. Am I looking beautiful, man, or not? Yo, man. You need to be the judge how good I'm looking. Oh, one nice man. I'm scary. So yeah, you need to be the judge how good I'm looking. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي